Alright, hey everybody, this is Jake Barton, aka Kamikaze Kid PB on YouTube, and today I have a little unboxing video to do. I don't know why, but just felt like doing an unboxing video. So yeah, first thing I'm going to be opening is this right here. So, as you can see, both of them are pretty big packages. So yeah. This came from Greensboro, North Carolina. Here it is. My Halo B. Halo reloader with Virtue board. I got it for a great deal, and it's a great upgrade from my Aggie 3. It's a little dirty, but any hopper is going to be dirty after playing with it a couple of times. And these bags aren't the cleanest things. It left a lot of the residue and stuff. Has rip drive, heater sticker, speed feed. I like the speed feed a lot. There's something on it. I'll get that out later. Yeah, I'll get that whatever's in it out in a minute. Next up is this box. Came from Texas. By the way, all this stuff is usually bought on Paintball Nation, pbnation.com, the forums. I'd recommend making an account there. They're great forums. You can get really good deals. As you can see in this one, it's very nicely packaged. I don't know. Here, let me check my camera. Yeah. Didn't know if everybody could see. Some tissue paper to cover it. My DXS 45 tank. Yeah. Regular regulator. Not myth. It's carbon fiber. So yeah, it's really light and very nice looking. So yeah, that's what I got. You can expect reviews on all of this stuff. So I guess just subscribe to my videos, and I'll keep on making videos for you to watch. So here's the laser eyes for it. So yeah, that's about it. Subscribe, whatnot, rate, comment, whatever. See you later.